This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Margo Bucci. Lovely 2-bedroom 2.5 bath townhome in desirable Boca Raton location. Tile flooring downstairs, new laminanite flooring being installed upstairs.Eat in kitchen and formal dining room. Good size rooms. Nice patio overlooking pond. Great location close to schools, malls, dining and beaches. Hurry won't last. For more information, review the details below or contact Margo Bucci at 561-523-5849.